Hi, and welcome to our moss and thatch control service. Does your lawn look tired, patchy, or feel spongy underfoot? The likely culprits, moss and thatch. These naturally occurring unwanted layers block air, water, and nutrients from reaching the roots of your grass, leaving it weak, dull, and struggling to thrive. That's where we can help. With our specialist moss and thatch service, which we recommend annually, your local Greensleeves team removes the buildup that's suffocating your lawn. The result? Stronger growth, richer colour, better drainage, and a lawn that's naturally resilient to weeds and disease. We don't rely on harsh machines or quick fixes. Instead, we use a careful two-step process, removing the surface layer first, then working a little deeper to clear the tougher moss and thatch. Once the work is done, we clear everything away, leaving your garden neat and tidy. Straight after treatment, your lawn may look a little rough or patchy, and that's completely normal. Very quickly, you'll start to see fresh, healthy grass growth, and over time, the lawn becomes greener, thicker, and far more resilient. With over 25 years of expertise and thousands of happy customers, Greensleeves is trusted across the UK to deliver reliable services and lasting results. And we don't just treat the problem, we help keep it away. With our ongoing care and tailored lawn care packages, you will enjoy a greener, thicker, healthier lawn you'll be proud to show off. So why wait? Let's bring your lawn back to life. Contact your local Greensleeves team today and take the first step towards a garden that looks and feels fantastic all year round.